Yeah, my name is Andreas Wanke. I am the head of the Sustainability and Energy Management unit at Freie Universität Berlin, which is directly assigned to the Executive Board. My personal interest in sustainability questions started more than 30 years ago when I was studying political science at Freie Universität Berlin. This was the time when the political debate concerning the risk of nuclear power and the future structure of the energy system in Germany was at its height. This was also the time when the climate protection and sustainability debate started. The Brundtland report, which defined sustainability for the first time in the political arena, was published in 1987. All these political issues inspired me and are still relevant and unfortunately mostly unsolved until today. Okay, we started in 2001 with energy management, which is until today the flagship of our activities. We succeeded in reducing our energy consumption by more than 26% or 42 million kilowatt hours in a period of 10 years between 2001 and 2011 at stable floor space. Since then, the energy consumption remains on this level with little ups and downs, and the reduction was a result of a mixed set of incentives and instruments which we have developed step by step in the last decade. Particularly important were the implementation of annual energy efficiency programs focusing on the modernization and optimization of heating and ventilation systems, and the establishment of a university-wide bonus system for energy conservation, which enables our scientific departments to earn money with energy savings. And the installation of meanwhile 9 photovoltaic plants on 9 building roofs, as you see here. They produce more than 600,000 kilowatt hours clean energy annually. So important was also the commissioning of meanwhile 4 combined heat and power plants, which replaced nearly 4 million kilowatt hours electricity out of the grid. And that is more than 10% of the whole energy consumption of the university. One of them is supplied by biogas, and in total they make a significant contribution to reducing CO2 emissions. Indeed, technical improvements are not enough. The bonus scheme, which I have mentioned, is a good example for a non-technical incentive instrument which focuses on organizational and behavioral improvements. Sustainability management is a cross-sectional task and therefore needs coordination and participation across the whole university. The most effective way of participation is to build up teams. Therefore, we gave priority to the coordination of the steering team with several working groups, the audit teams and the sustainability teams in the scientific departments. We used the certification process of our environmental management system to build up the teams. Yeah, one of the most important activities in the last decade was the establishing of our sustainability initiative, SustainIt. SustainIt is a mixed group of students and employees which is coordinated by a scientific unit. The activities of this team is a very vibrant part of sustainability at FUB. The initiative organized 3 open days with dozens of workshops, film events, art performances, workshops, lecture series and several seminars which included innovative approaches of education for sustainable development. Sustainability is a multi-level and often small structured integration task with a huge relevance of organizational development, a clear governance structure, community engagement and participatory strategies. The key goal of sustainability management is to transform management processes to social processes, which empower the different stakeholders to consider themselves as societal actors for enhancing sustainability. It is often astonishing how powerful, well-organized social processes can be. Sustainability is a global issue as well as sustainability management. Finding solutions to climate change or other global problems is not possible without close international cooperation in politics and science, and thus strengthening international networking is without any alternative. Yes, I have 4 wishes. I think most important is a clear and authentic commitments of the top management and middle management, inspiring student initiatives, an improved sustainability network for the higher education sector in Germany, and a broader understanding of universities as scientific and social test beds and living labs.